Hello, welcome to this presentation. My name is Nisay Tavera. I'm student of the Licenciatura en Lenguas Extranjeras con énfasis en inglés in the Materials Design course. What was the conception of materials developed decades ago? But even so, it has been changed by the teachers awareness on the interactions in new methodologies and materials for teaching, and the others by obtaining the students, though to update and improve to teaching materials. The next question: what does developing materials demand from teachers? Give at least these demands and explain them. This requires that they be a thoughtful, rational, and artistically inspired process that together play an essential role in achieving a attractive teaching learning process. First, able to see a student holistic, unique individual. It can be said that it allowed a student to be able to take on and face new challenges during their formation as a person. Two is fond of facilitating a learning process, avoiding their frustration. And three, willing to devote time to teach with a louder. It is to feel safe during the teaching process, is allowed to have confidence with teacher and the student feel comfortable. Four, it is necessary to learn slowly in different cases without marginalization. 5. It is important creative new ways to teaching. 6. It is part of training making decisions to creative new ways to teaching. The next question: in your opinion, what is the principal role of the teacher when designing language learning materials? First, be a positive experience, be resourceful, be creative. It is to make assessment time a positive experience that brings out the best in students and do build the confidence in the process of learning and language. Teaching situation to the extent that it allows them to understand and all the process involved in the development of materials. Okay, these are of references. Well, that all. Thank you very much for watching.